Do not use a menstrual cup without watching the series. Part 5. Didi, I've been trying, but the menstrual cup is not opening. I have tried twisting, it's not opening. What to do? I'll tell you, come. It is not easy. But the thing is, I can show you a few more folds. So the first fold is the C fold. You take the cup, you flatten it, you fold it like this. So that's a U fold or a C fold. The fold is the 7 fold. You flatten the cup and you fold it like this. Now it's so easy to open it, right? We have one more audience favorite poll. You have told me about this and you punch it down. What happens is it becomes like this and it's easy to open. So whichever fold works for you, you can go for it. But no matter which fold you use, what if it's not opening inside, right? I'll tell you a trick to open the cup that will only work for a few people. What you can do is, after you insert it like this, you can try to suck air inside from your vagina. Like, there is a way to suck the air inside with the vagina, and if you are able to do that, you will expand the cavity very temporarily and there will be more space for the cup to open. So if you can just suck air from inside vagina, sort of breathe from vagina, your cavity will open up and you will be able to get the cup to open up in that time. And then you can relax your muscles and your cup will get suctioned in that space. This may not work for everyone. Everyone may not be able to suck air from their vagina, but if you can do that, this will work wonders. I use this a lot of times. When I'm in a rush, I quickly inhale sort of from my vagina and the cup easily gets opened up. I don't even have to twist it. So if you can find a way to do that, it kind of contracts your stomach, pull air from outside inside. And then you relax your muscles. So it kind of like you contract and relax from your vagina and the space gets created for the cup and it opens up. So in addition to twisting, you can also do this if you can make it happen, if you can make it work, right? This might not work for everyone, but you can give it a try. Even if it doesn't work for you, you can always use one of the folds that works for you and you can put it inside and twist it. That should work. Menstrual cups take time. It doesn't happen in one day, it doesn't happen in one cycle. You need to give it 2, 3, 4 cycles. But how should you do it? Will it leak? Well, don't think about all of that. The first few times you're using it, use it with the pad. Okay? Eventually, you will not have to use a pad. But to start it off, use it with a pad. And be patient, girl.